Hi, my name is Conny Wladkowski, and I'm coming all the way from Australia to speak at the NGH convention in Marlborough, Massachusetts, from the 7th till the 9th of August, 2026. Across the weekend, I will be delivering 2 talks. My first talk is on Friday at 10 a.m., and I will be sharing my 5-step Shine trauma release process, healing without regression. I will walk you through a simple, structured approach to help clients release emotional patterns without having to revisit or relive the past. You will learn how to guide the brain and the nervous system into a state where change can actually happen, and how to create that in a safe and effective way that actually leads to long-lasting transformation and not just temporary relief. And then on Saturday at 5 p.m., I will be speaking on turning breakthroughs into lasting transformation. I will show you how to move beyond powerful moments in a session and create the change that continues and that strengthens over time through repetition and reinforcement. We're going to explore how the brain builds new patterns and how to design your work so that clients can keep progressing between the sessions and after our sessions. If you're attending the convention and you want to go even deeper, I'm also running a post-conference training with Dan Kendall on the Monday, where we'll be sharing practical tools and strategy that you can start using with your clients straight away. This will be a very powerful hands-on training focused on real techniques that we use with our clients every day, and that you can help in the moment our clients shift from anxiety, stress, emotional responses quickly and effectively. I hope to see you there, and I hope you can join my training and my talks.